So More Development hired us to work on the foundation repair aspect of this project. And they're going to be handling a full remodel. You'll notice inside the home, it's torn down completely to studs. But we need to start with the foundation repairs first before we can do any of that remodeling. So this 5,600 square foot home has settled as much as 3.6 inches in this corner closest to me. And we're only going to be installing helical piers around the perimeter of one side of the home because that is the only area that has been affected by settling. Once we've attempted to lift this home, we will then come in with our polyurethane team and fill any voids that have been created during the lifting process. So let's go take a look at what the crew's working on.
What's up, bro? The treat already?
Nah.
Damn, bro.
Don't microwave you.
Oh, I thought you were gonna order McDonald's, bro.
Nah.
For you, maybe. What's up, bro? How's that burger?
Pretty good, pretty good. Overstuffing, to be honest.
Oh, you got like a double cheeseburger or something?
Yeah, double cheeseburger, but it was a little too heavy,